This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your document for export. Remove unnecessary pages and attachments to reduce file size before optimization. Replace embedded fonts with standard fonts like Arial or Helvetica when possible. Convert complex vector elements to simpler shapes when acceptable. Reduce large images to 150 dpi and crop to visible area before export. Delete hidden layers, annotations, and metadata to shave kilobytes. Save a copy so you preserve the original document for later reference and edits. Choose compression and downsampling settings in your PDF editor. Downsample images to 150 dpi or 72 dpi for screen-only PDFs as needed. Apply JPEG compression at 50% quality for photos to balance size and quality. For line art, use ZIP or monotone compression for better results. Subset or remove unused fonts and unembed them to save file bytes. Flatten form fields and transparencies to simplify page content and reduce overhead. Export the optimized document using your editor's Reduce Size option. Export using Save as Reduce Size PDF or Print to PDF with optimized settings. Set a target size like 200 KB or 100 KB and adjust compression iteratively. Preview the exported PDF at 100% to confirm legibility and image clarity. If text blurs, increase image DPI to 200 and re-export. Finally, run a size check and store the minimized PDF with a clear file name indicating its reduced size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.